Semi-supervised domain generalization. In real-world applications, machine learning models fail when they encounter data which has different representation than their training data. Addressing this problem is called domain generalization. What is this? Most of the real-world applications are based on machine learning models. Many models need data to train. We focus on image data. Images in right side has more descriptive features than the left. We can split them into cartoon and photo according to how features are shown. These are called domains, and they occur for many reasons. For example, different backgrounds, styles, lighting conditions, and camera quality. If we train the model using one of these domains, and during the application, if it encounters another domain, it is called a domain shift. Our project is about generalizing to unseen domains. Here we train the model using many source domains like cartoons, art, and photos. Then use generalizing techniques to make the model perform well in unseen domains, which are different from the source domains. But labeled data is expensive, limited, and time-consuming. In domain generalization, multiple source domains are used with all labeled data. Semi-supervised learning handles label scarcity by using both labeled and unlabeled data from the same domain. In our work, we combine previous methods. We use both labeled and unlabeled data from each source domain and train the model to perform well in the unseen domain. We send the unlabeled data to the classifier and get the class relevant to maximum prediction and its confidence score. We call it pseudo-label. This shows our concept, this the feature space with class prototypes for each class. Classes are separated by boundary lines. SARs are generated based on similarity. This is the feature space with all the SARs denoted by green squares. Z is the extracted features for this dog. Next, we modulate Z toward every SAR. Gray-colored stars are modulated features. This is our complete method. SAR generation, training, and feature modulator are the main steps. We generate class prototypes before every training iteration. Labeled samples are weak-augmented. We extract features and perform a class-wise averaging to form class prototypes. This averaging process reduces the effect of domain information. For each class prototype, we compute cosine similarity with all other prototypes, capturing how closely related they are. These similarity scores are then used to compute a weighted average of all prototypes. The result in similar average representations for each class. These SARs provide a more robust, generalized embedding that helps during feature modulation. After augmentation of both labeled and unlabeled data, we extract features and then perform feature modulation. Then, features are passed to the classifier. If the model is confident enough, it assigns a pseudo-label to the unlabeled data. In addition to cross-entropy losses, labeled and unlabeled diagonal losses trains the feature modulator. Our purpose was to improve the unlabeled data utilization while maintaining the pseudo-label accuracy. We obtained higher keep rate and high pseudo-label accuracy. As a result, compared to the baselines, we achieve better average accuracy. We compare our method against 4 existing approaches. As shown, our method consistently performs competitively across datasets. We achieve increase of 3.8% over FixMatch, 1.1% over FBCSA, 1.9% over StyleMatch, and 0.9% over DGWM. The TSNE visualization of the feature space shows high-dimensional data in 2D. Here we can see that the domain separation and class mixing have been reduced with the training iterations. This is the demonstration of our method on 2 datasets. We evaluate performance of our method against FixMatch and StyleMatch. This image is from PAC's dataset. The model has never seen the its photo domain. The model has been trained on only art painting, cartoon, and sketch. Our method confirms it as a dog by 99%. This image is from Office Home dataset. The model has never seen its real-world domain. The model has been trained on only art, clip art, and product. As you can see, our method confirms it as a fan by 100% surpassing others. Please scan for more info. Thank you.